2026 GMC Yukon. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, leather seats. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.